In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google AdSense earnings. This guide is specifically designed for anyone who's seeking a straightforward way to monitor the performance of their online content. Whether you're new to AdSense or need a quick refresher, stick around as we walk through the entire process. First things first, let's begin with how you can get to the Google AdSense login page. You'll want to navigate to the official Google AdSense website dedicated to earn website monetization. It's your starting point where all the magic happens, from setting up your account to tracking your earnings. Upon arriving at the website, your attention should be immediately drawn towards the Sign In button. Clicking on this button is your gateway to accessing all the AdSense features. It's pretty straightforward, but remember, it's crucial for accessing your earnings information. After you've clicked Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email. This should be the email associated with your Google AdSense account. Make sure to type it in correctly to avoid any unnecessary hiccups in logging in. Following the email entry, it's time to key in your password. Take extra care to ensure it's entered correctly, considering the sensitivity of accessing financial information. A correct password entry is akin to unlocking the treasure chest of your digital earnings. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to navigate to the home section of Google AdSense. This is where you'll find a broad overview of your account, but our goal today is to delve a bit deeper into your earnings. To get more detailed information, look for the Payments Info section. This particular area of your account is dedicated to all things financial, including your earnings overview. Clicking on this will take you one step closer to understanding your earnings in detail. Within the Payments section, you'll find the Earnings Overview. This is essentially the holy grail of understanding how well your content is performing in monetary terms. Accessing your Earnings Overview provides you with a comprehensive look at your current balance, estimated earnings, and so much more. Now, while navigating through these sections, there are a couple of tips to keep in mind. 1. Asterisk. Understanding your dashboard. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the layout of the AdSense dashboard. Understanding where everything is located can greatly reduce the time it takes to check your earnings in the future. 2. Asterisk. Regular checks. Making it a habit to regularly check your AdSense earnings can not only help in keeping you informed about your financial progress, but also alert you to any potential issues that could be affecting your earnings. 3. Asterisk. Each unutilized reports. AdSense offers a variety of reports. These can be incredibly useful in gaining insights into your earnings, allowing you to make informed decisions about your content and strategies moving forward. 4. Asterisk. Security, always ensure you're logging out of your AdSense account, especially if you're accessing it from a shared or public computer. Protecting your account means protecting your earnings. 5. Asterisk, stay updated. Google AdSense often updates its platform and policies. Keeping abreast of these updates ensures you're always optimizing for the best performance and adhering to the guidelines. To wrap it up, monitoring your Google AdSense earnings is a simple yet essential task for anyone looking to monetize their online content effectively. By following the steps we've discussed today, you'll not only be able to keep a close eye on your financial success, but also make informed decisions that can help improve your content's performance. Remember, consistent monitoring and understanding your earnings is the first step towards maximizing your AdSense revenue. So take these insights, log into your AdSense account, and start exploring your earnings with confidence. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies on making the most out of your Google AdSense account.